Customizing course homepages allows instructors to present information vital for learners during their first days and weeks in a course. In D2L, the homepage management tool allows addition or removal of widgets as well as customization of layouts of homepages. The following tutorial demonstrates how to use this tool to create a new homepage and set it as the active page for the course. To do so, click on Course Admin in the navigation bar. Click on Home Pages. Note that the course homepage is the default homepage. Click on the down arrow and select Copy. A copy of the homepage named Course Homepage Copy will appear in the list. Click the name of the copied homepage to open the Edit Homepage area. Within this area, make the following changes. In the name field, provide a meaningful name. In this case, we will use Jones Homepage. For now, we will skip entering a description. Under Type, options include widget-based, tool, and external URL. Keep the option set to widget-based. Under Header, select Include Homepage Header. Replace org unit name to add a custom title. For this tutorial, we will use Jones Practice Course. Keep in mind that the custom title will be visible to students, so use spacing and capitals as appropriate. Under Layout, click on the Change Layout button. Note that various options are presented, and these include differing numbers of panels and layouts. For this tutorial, select Basic. Click Update to save your selection. Under Widgets, click on the Add Widgets button in the left panel. Scroll down and select News. Click Add. Note that a News section now appears in the left panel. In the right panel of the graphic, click on the Add Widgets button. Scroll down and select Updates. Click Add, and note that Updates has been added to the bottom of the list of widgets. Drag this widget to the top. Also in the right panel, remove the Calendar widget by clicking on the X in the upper right corner. Click Save and Close. Under Active Homepage, click the down arrow and select the homepage just created. Click the Apply button. Note that a check mark and the word Active now appears to the right of the custom homepage. On the navigation bar, click Home. Verify that the customized changes are now showing. You should see the custom course title, as well as the News widget in the left panel and the Updates widget in the right.